What's up everybody, and thank you for watching this video. So today I'm going to, as you can see in the thumbnail and all in the title down below, I'm going to unboxing the brand new phone. It's going to be replace this Samsung Trend Plus. I already wrapped this, what we call it, the mail stuff. I already packed it out and box itself. And as you can see, the phone that is gonna be replacing my old phone is this Huawei Nova 2i. I'm quite excited about these things because it was about 3 years I'm using this phone when I was 14 or 15 years old. So now I was about 18, almost 18. So let's unbox these things and let me take the smaller camera. I'm going to use this camera to make it look closer, to have a closer view. Okay, let's open this up. This is the Xiaomi I'm used recently. Okay. This is the phone Nova 2i. For your information, I already opened these things and set up all the settings and all the email stuff. So, and also have attached it with the cases. So if this is not an official unboxing experience, but also unboxing. Also, okay, this is the phone itself. If you can see in the box, we have three items. Number one is the box with the charger, what we call it, the charger, earphone, and the USB cable. And this one is going to be where the cases came from. So the cases will be put in these cases. Let me open it up real quick. Okay. So we have three items itself: the phone, the cases, and all the items. Okay, let's open up with the phone first because I already opened these things quite a while ago. So let's just put it up. As you can see, I already put the cases on the phone, both up already. As you can see, the wallpaper. So this is just an unboxing video. I'm not going to make an in-depth review about this phone because I'm not using it yet. And this is the, what we call it, the box of, we have here the Malaysian, or what we call European or something, the brick that useful for used in Malaysia. This is the USB cable, and it's still using the old micro USB, not USB-C. And it have earphone. This one still have iPhone jack. Compared to other phones, the other flagship, this is the only phone that come with earphone jack compared to Mate 10, P9 or P10 or P20 Pro also doesn't have earphone jack. So yeah. So this is a warranty card and something document that I don't really want to read. And let's start with the phone. Okay. I'm going to open this. I get this phone with the blue color, and they call it Aurora Blue. Okay, I get it. Okay, this is the phone itself. As you can see, they have two camera on front and two camera on face-to-face camera, selfie camera. And the screen was 16:9 ratio. Just look at the blue. It looks so nice. Okay. You can look at the bluish Aurora Blue color. It's quite nice. It's just nice. I really love this phone. This is going to be my phone, my gear. We change it from this to this. You can compare it by yourself. This is bigger than this one, and the screen itself are a lot brighter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for my bad English, and I hope you can see it next time. Oh my goodness, I thought that this camera was open, but not. If you want to know further about this phone, leave a comment down below. Ask something if you want to know about the camera test or the audio, about the software itself, the speed. leave a comment down below. I'm going to make a video if you wanted to. If you don't, I'm not going to make it, but also going to make updated, not officially, but when I was making another video. I think that's all from me, and from now on I'm going to make an intro in every video that I posted in this platform, this YouTube platform, and the intro is going to be like this. And as you can see, I already put it on in front of this video. So I think that's all from me. The new phone. Sorry for the late. I think that's all from me. Peace out. Like this video for this phone. Bye.